If you're trying to access Elementor in WordPress, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact beginner-friendly process to get Elementor installed, open it inside WordPress, and build your first page using the free widgets only. By the end, you'll know how to prepare your dashboard, launch Elementor, add content to your page, and save everything properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare the WordPress dashboard the right way. The easiest setup for Elementor is to use the Hello Elementor theme because it gives you a clean, lightweight starting point. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then click Themes, and after that, select Add New. In the search bar, type Hello Elementor. Once you see it, click Install, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. This gives you a simple foundation that works really well with Elementor. Next, we need to install the Elementor plugin itself. From the left-hand menu in WordPress, go to Plugins, then click Add Plugin. In the search box, type Elementor. You should see the Elementor Website Builder plugin appear right away. Click Install and then click Activate. Once Elementor is activated, it becomes available for page building inside your WordPress site. Now here's something that can confuse a lot of beginners. Sometimes after installing Elementor, WordPress may redirect you to a Connect account page. If that happens, don't worry. Just look at the top left corner and click the WordPress or W logo to go back to your main dashboard. That takes you out of the account connection screen and back into your site so you can continue building normally. Now that Elementor is installed, let's create the page canvas. Go to Pages, then click Add New. Give your page a title. And for this tutorial, you can simply type tutorial. On the right-hand side of the page editor, you'll see the template settings. Change the templates to Elementor full width. This is important because it gives you more space to design your page without extra layout restrictions. Once that's done, click Publish. After the page is published, you'll see the option to edit with Elementor. Click that button to open the Elementor Builder. This is where the real page design happens. Elementor will load the visual editor, and now you can start dragging elements onto your page. Let's build a simple layout using only 3 widgets. First, drag the heading widget into the center of your page. Then click inside the widget and type your title. This could be a page title, a video title, or any headline you want your visitors to see first. The heading widget is one of the most useful elements in Elementor because it helps you create a strong first impression. Next, let's add a video. Drag the video widget and place it directly under the headline. In the settings panel on the left, paste your YouTube link. Elementor will automatically detect the video and display it on your page. This is a great way to embed tutorials, product demos, or any video content you want to share with your audience. Now let's add a step-by-step section. Click the plus icon to add a new structure and choose the 2-column layout. This gives you a clean side-by-side design. On the left side, drag in an image widget. This is perfect for adding a screenshot, product image, or illustration. On the right side, drag in a text editor widget. Here, you can type explanations, bullet points, instructions, or supporting text to go with your image. If you want to style any element, just click the widget and open the Style tab. From there, you can change colors, fonts, spacing, and other visual settings using the free options available in Elementor. This is one of the best things about Elementor because you can customize your page without needing to know code. Take your time here and make the layout look clean and easy to read. Once your page looks the way you want, it's time to save everything. At the bottom left of the Elementor editor, click the green Update button. That saves all your changes to the page. After that, if you want to see what the page looks like live, click the eye icon for a preview. This lets you check spacing, design, and overall appearance before sharing the page with anyone else. And that's the full process for accessing Elementor in WordPress and building your first page. You've now learned how to install the theme, activate the plugin, open Elementor from a page, add widgets, style your content, and save your work correctly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.